In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use text boxes in Google Docs, specifically when working with presentations. Whether you're creating a dynamic slideshow or needing to emphasize key points, mastering text boxes is essential. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation. If you haven't already, navigate to the Google Slides homepage, find your presentation, and open it. Once you're in your presentation, we're ready to start adding text. Next, look for the text box button in the toolbar at the top of your screen. It's typically represented by a T icon or labeled clearly. Click on it. This tool is crucial because it allows you to place text freely on your slides, adding flexibility to your design. Now, move your cursor to the slide where you'd like to add a text box. Click and hold down the mouse, then drag it across the slide to create your text box. You can customize its size and shape based on your content needs. Make sure the text box is large enough to host the text you plan to insert, but not so large that it disrupts the overall slide layout. With the text box placed, you'll want to adjust its size. On the edges, you'll notice small guides or handles. Click and drag these guides to resize the text box until it fits your slide design perfectly. Once you have the size right, double-click inside the text box to start typing. This action activates the text field, allowing you to input whatever information you want, whether it's a title, a bulleted list, or important notes. If you're looking to refine how your text appears, click on the text box once more and hit Enter. This step opens up various formatting options, allowing you to enhance the look of your text. Choose the options that best suit your presentation style, such as font size, color, and alignment. One handy feature is the ability to fit your text neatly into the space you've created. Click on Shrink Text to fit the shape. This option ensures your text adjusts to the size of the text box, maintaining a clean and professional look. Alternatively, if you've got more to say and your text box is overflowing, you might want to resize the shape to fit the text. This option will allow the text box to expand accordingly, ensuring all your important content is visible. Finally, take a moment to review the new size of your text box. Make sure it doesn't overshadow other elements in your layout, and it enhances the overall flow of your slide. Adjust again if needed to maintain balance and harmony. And there you have it. Mastering text boxes in Google Slides enhances both the aesthetics and functionality of your presentations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so jump into Google Slides and start experimenting with these techniques on your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.